When I was 17, I wondered if my life could be a movie. I'd play myself the main lead. It would be a coming-of-age story. And a quarter of the way through, I met you in our meet queue. And halfway in I realized I didn't know the running time. Now here I am in 93, the end of my comedy. Flashback to my favorite scenes. I know this movie is ending, but let me sit through the end credits. Remember the names and faces I loved, who always believed in who I'd become. The highs and the lows, the hellos and goodbyes that made up the scenes of this beautiful life. The lights will come on, it's almost time. Just let me sit through the end credits. I was always looking back, longing for the days of the past. Cause if this is all we'll ever get, all I can do is try not to forget. But in my existential crisis, I think I know the truth is how I remember just points me to forever. Just let me sit through the end credits.
On nights when you need good, to cheer you up. I wanna be the one to build you up. Oh, 1, 5 billion bucks, keep rocking the wild ride. I'm bad, so nobody tries to steal your boat. Roll your money, toss my hopes out. Roll your home, need a move out, put a move out. Still to big house, there he wonders. How somewhere along the way, went from Huey to Eddie Once. I've been so disconnected, my perspective is ignorant. When you just don't wanna correct you, say something crazy, they won't even check. Do every job that you want, they gon' let you. Dangerous when there's nobody to check you, I be out to check myself. Got holding that money, you know you got plenty. I be out to spend my girl. I used to be at the crib myself, 7 years old. I'm rapping around with a bag of the wrong, and a fan on the car, with hands in the balls, and they ran with the cops, no man go the laws, and I packed up a bag, and I trapped in the road, and I popped the star, and I ran into you, and I met you before that damn you, and half of the dress, so. Hugging the block all day, I had nowhere to go. She gave me a place to stay, she gave me a heart to hold. I still got that shit to this day. She riding with me on the road, she riding with me in the A. Hugging the block, okay. She gave me the gift of my son, the pussy never went away. She gave me a family to love, but that I can never repay. I'm crying about writing these words, the tears they feel good on my face. Hey. Yesterday could feel just like a waste. If I don't love you, I'm supposed to. I make sacrifices, but he sacrificed.
Just want to say, excellent job. That was amazing. Love watching it. So I'll just make it real quick. I always, I make the drive to OC, and sometimes it goes from an hour to 2 hours long in that traffic, but I would do it anytime for y'all because y'all just inspire me every single time, and that's like worth it to me. Just watching y'all grow and dance, and then know that you're also going to inspire the next generation of Foundations dancers. So be proud of yourself. I'm proud of y'all.
Much mahalos. I think Ty and I just wanted to create a set that had like storytelling and emotion, and these group of people really delivered on that like more than I could have ever dreamed of. So thank you. We also want to give a shout out to the people that came to our team and trained. Thank you, Gene. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Kelvin. Your expertise and experience like really helped him a lot growing in dance, so, and us too, so thanks y'all.
Yeah, Ethan! Yeah, Ethan!
Crews, my team, Annika, Josh, and Pat, thank you for your dedication, laughs, memories, and all that. By our second practice, we seemed like we knew each other like an old friend. Through late night chicken tenders, beach serenades, and karaoke like no end. I've had, admittedly, many nights of lost sleep from not wanting to leave each other after practice every week. So remember, crews, with our friendship an inseparable bond. No matter where we are after this showcase, I love you. Keep on cruising on.
Alright, so unlike my coat, I don't have a poem. I actually don't have anything prepared, but to my kids, like, I couldn't have asked for a better team to captain for. Everyone is so down, and everyone, or 2/3 of this team, has actually never danced before prior to joining Foundations. So I'm just super, super proud of everyone on the stage right now. Shut up. To my directors, I started out on Foundations my freshman of fall quarter, and I've heard of like the legendary Patrick Tran. And I've actually met Baysa while I was on a team. So being able to actually captain for them has been super, super full circle, and they've just been the most amazing directors and the perfect directors for this team. Can I get a clap clap? I'm done.
Wow, that was a whole story with so much emotion.